Welcome or welcome back. Today's question is, can NotebookLM support PowerPoint files? So the answer to this question definitely used to be no. I've tried this before, but it's been a while, so I figured let me try it again and make sure the answer is still no. And apparently the answer is now yes. So let me switch over and show you a file in PowerPoint. So this is a slide deck about SWOT analysis, or SWOT analyses, and just go through some of the slides quickly. Details of the slides don't really matter. It's just showing you what this looks like. Okay, so that's 10 slides in PowerPoint. And now if I come back to NotebookLM, and now this is just notebooklm.google.com and just their homepage. And I'm going to go into my test notebook, and right here is that same PowerPoint slide deck. And in this case, it's a PPTX. And if I click on this and minimize the summary, go through, and this is the same stuff that was in that slide deck. And you can go backwards and make sure the words are the same, but the interesting thing is, like, these are the images from that slide deck. So apparently you can upload PowerPoint slides now, or PowerPoint slide decks now. And if you go to add sources and then you hover the mouse over this little and more, you can see in there that PPTX is in the list now. And it definitely wasn't in there before. But yeah, if you want to upload a slide deck to NotebookLM, just come to notebooklm.google.com and then either create a new notebook or go into an existing notebook and then just go to add sources, and then you can either upload files and then find the slide deck in your wherever you have it, or just drag and drop the file right here and then it will add it. It did take a while, and I think it's because it added get out here. I think it's because it added these images, but this took maybe like 4 or 5 minutes to actually upload. Maybe the network's slow. I don't know. But to answer the question again, yes, NotebookLM can now accept PowerPoint slide decks, PPTX specifically. I didn't try other formats, and there are other PowerPoint slide deck formats, but PPTX does work with NotebookLM. So give that a try. Let us know if you have any other questions, and we'll see you next time.